grounds on the 5th. And then to all the places where there was a Tomnam, from Bandardua to Chandranagar. These 3 days we will be going from one house to another, one house to another, one house to another. Mopin, Ripin, Poglaju, वो डांस करते हुए उसके बाद में हम लोग एक साथ हर घर में जाके we used to always be together in celebrating, in welcoming Mopin, in celebrating and wishing happiness to everyone, wishing for peace and prosperity. And we used to the Popiran, इसको जब हम गाते थे, it comes दिल के अंदर जो उत्साह भर के आता है वो. और उसके बाद जिस तरीके से हम पोका बनाते थे, although my mother was Assamese, but then we used to have this huge pokers that we used to make together with one of the poker groups, Hirimoro of Naharlagun, a very famous poker group. Together we used to make the poka, and I still remember my auntie used to tell me, पोका बनाते समय संतरा एकदम बिल्कुल नहीं बगल में लाना है, संतरा लाने से वो पोका जो खट्टा हो जाता है. I remember those small stories that we used to, that the stories that we made. And if I remember correctly, Mopin का जो husk है, we have to get it because यहाँ खेती उस समय इतना नहीं था, so we have to get it from across Assam. जीप में भर भर के लाते थे. इस तरीक़ा के जो बचपन के जो यादें हैं, ये हमें याद दिलाती है कि मोपिन हमारे लिए कितनी महत्वपूर्ण है. Talking about this would be our intangible heritage. Now our tangible heritage, जो हम intangible, जो हम छू नहीं पाते हैं, जैसे कि डांस हुआ, हम छू नहीं पाया. मैंने डांस ऊपर किया लेकिन मैं छू नहीं पाया. लेकिन tangible heritage, the heritage that we can touch. अब जैसे कि मेरा ये जैसे गाला है आप लोगों ने हमें दिया, जो तांगो है, उसके बाद जो दोनाम तिनाम है, the explosion of taste when we talk about the Galo cuisine, the iti that we had welcomed with, the amin that we are welcomed with, the poka, and many more. So these are the tangible heritages, the very handsome tango that all of our maktas are wearing. Of course, I'm looking at the maktas with my abara nachis and abos, the handsome tangos that our maktas are wearing. So these tangible heritages needs to be preserved. And how? By, as others are doing it, by geotagging it, by registering our right over our heritage. For example, today, Mopin is not celebrated just in the Siang belt where the Galos are there, or other areas of Arunachal where Galos are settled. For example, the Lower Dubangali. But Mopin is celebrated all across the globe. We all know. I mean, जब 5 अप्रैल जब आ जाता है, you see WhatsApp में, Facebook में, तांगो वहाँ भी गलत पहुँच जाता है, वहाँ भी तांगो पहुँच जाता है. हमारा जो मकबूज है, हमारा जो दुनेज है, वो लोग वहाँ सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. And people who and our brothers who are abroad, they celebrate the Bolu. I remember one of my brothers was gone to see. उनको लॉन टेनिस बहुत पसंद है, तो वो लॉन टेनिस देखने के लिए, वो टेनिस देखने के लिए वो गए थे. तो I remember he had gone abroad and he was, if I'm not mistaken, Wimbledon था क्या, and he was wearing the boluk. The boluk in the, with of course any normal kapra, but then the boluk in another land, talking about our history. So these are the heritages that we need to preserve. As a Secretary Art and Culture, I won't be taking much of your time, but with this, I'd like to again thank everyone, and especially this year's Diamond Jubilee Celebration Committee, headed by Dr. Gunjum Haider, especially because he had the vision to welcome back all the Dunas and the Makbus. He is welcoming them on the 6th, as in us on the 6th. And the words that the invitation brought tears to my eyes. I was telling all of you, Makbu, कि इतना सुंदर से लिखा है, आँखों में पानी आ गया महीना. And then he writes that builders, he invites the Dunas, saying they are the builders of our cultural heritage. And such an honor, such an onerous responsibility. I hope all the Dunas and Makbus are able to live up to the expectations that our Achabo and our Anna and Meta and all have, Pita and Ayo have of us. और इसी के साथ मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलते हुए सभी कोपन पार्टी को और सभी Naru Anand Agamber, Kumdik Du, thank you, Naru Mopin Agamber.